I will be using a pre-cut pocket pattern for this. This is actually an Aztec print denim fabric, and that is what I'll be using as my pocket on this video. With the fabric diagonally folded, I'll start by marking out the pattern on the fabric with my chalk and tape. Who can tell me why I folded this fabric diagonally? Please do this on the comment section. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to cut and fix an invincible stitched tucked-in patch pocket on a shirt. So guys, grab your comfort cushions. Let's go there. This pocket pattern is of 4.8 inches wide and 5 inches long. And I'll be marking out 0.5 inches on all the sides except the top part, which will have 2 inches extra added to it. It is for folding. After the markings, I'll use my ruler to draw straight lines connecting all the things I marked on the fabric. Then with my scissors, I will cut it out. After which I will sketch the pocket pattern on the fabric. Meanwhile, the white layer you're seeing is called gum stem, cloth gum, anything you want, call it. It is used to make the fabric firmer for neater finishing. Then I will proceed to trim out the excesses on the fabric. You will iron the edges of the fabric with the help of the pocket pattern to avoid misfolding, which will be a problem. Ironing is a very important sewing practice. So please, as a fashion designer or tailor, never underestimate the power of ironing, because now you go cry later. It's now time to sew. But first, I will place the back lining of this pocket and hold it with pin. Then sketch the pocket pattern on the front left side of the shirt. Meanwhile, to place this pocket, I measured out 9.5 inches from the shoulder down to the chest. Then 2.5 inches from the buttonhole side towards the nipple. After sewing the back lining onto the shirt, I proceeded to cut. Funny enough, my assistant, who hasn't been where clothes were made before, was terrified when I started ripping open the front side of the shirt. That is actually the side I want to put the pocket. In his words, "Jesus, you're ruining the shirt." And I laughed like, no, I'm not. It's just what I have to do. I must tear it open in order to fix in the pocket. Without this, I can't. Guys, if you must try this, please be careful with your scissors while cutting the edges of the sketched pocket, most especially all these sharp ones, because if you overcut or undercut, the result will be bad. It is safer to undercut because remedy is easier than when you overcut it. It is now time to place the pocket and sew through. Please pay attention to how the pocket placing is done and how I'm about to sew it onto the shirt. Are you new to my channel? Thank you for being here, and don't forget to please subscribe if you haven't done that, and also like, comment and share this video plus my other videos. Don't forget to leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I post. To all my existing subscribers, thank you for staying put and Don't forget to also like, share and comment on this video. Before I start to sew through, I hope you remember the folds I made on the fabric with iron while I placed the pocket pattern on it before enveloping it with iron. That is the line I will be sewing through and on. Be careful so you don't sew outside the line. As I've carefully and successfully sewn the patch onto the shirt right through the folds, I will now push the pocket back lining inside the pocket, then go on to sew right round the square from the back of the already placed pocket. After that, I will trim out the excesses right round. Giving me the actual shape of the pocket. This is in preparation for weaving. Then proceed to use iron to straighten all the folds out so that there won't be any rumple foldings up. Wow, what do you think about this? Is it a must try or pass? Leave your thoughts about this video in the comment below. I hope this video is insightful and educating. Stay tuned till we see some other time. Bye.